Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. I would like to welcome all of our SUV shoppers. Thanks so much for dropping in to check out our video today. We hope that it's helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited Edition, and this is a beautiful SUV with all of the amenities. It's a one-owner vehicle with a clean Carfax and just 23,000 miles, and it's still under factory warranty. As you see, the outside is absolutely immaculate with those alloy wheels, full tow package, and power moonroof. Now as we transition inside, we see an immaculate black leather interior with heated and cooled front bucket seats, along with second row seating, room for 3 more passengers. Now as we look up front, we see that this 4Runner has a terrific selection of electronics and convenience and safety items as well. Those features include a premium audio system with SiriusXM radio, and it also has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone. Not to mention it has GPS navigation, backup camera, and more. So now all you need to do is give us a call and we'll set up a time for your test drive. The number is 615-224-8314. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs, the home of the lifetime warranty. And also a new feature here at Nissan of Cool Springs, just text the word COOL to 96300 to get pre-approved today. We'll see you here.